To meet new people and see new places is all I want for my life. Of course, we have only very short time in this life and we have to make the best use of it. And what better can I do than travel? So right now I am in the waters of Pichavaram. It's a small place in the Kadalur district and it's so pleasant to look at. It's so rich in biodiversity and these mangrove forests are so rich in countless of species. And scientists say there are around 4,000 plus of species which is dependent on these trees. And they are boosting these places like for ecotourism, and you can see the people doing some fishing and all that. They say fishing is so very productive in these areas. They say around annually 1 million tons of fish, crabs, shrimps and mollusks of various species are being caught here. Compared to the world's total fishing stuff, it's almost equal to 1.1%. Such a very rich and productive area are these mangroves. And initially you can see see on the left side, you can see a green wall-like structure. It's all different species of mangroves, and scientists say they have found a new breed of mangroves and they have even named it Rhizophora annamalayana. And if you could little pan it to my left, you can see the doctor, Mr. Rajendran. He'd been a pioneer and he did his PhD thesis on these mangroves, which is titled No Mangroves, No Prawns. And maybe we can have a word with him. Hello doctor, can you just briefly tell us the importance of these places and the importance of your thesis?
Actually, this place is called Pichavaram. It's very famous for tourism in the southern part of Kadalur district. And this place is very important in the point of biodiversity. As far as our center concerned, we have recorded more than 170 species of fishes and 20 species of shrimps and 20 species of molluscan and 20 species of crabs in these Pichavaram mangrove waters.
Behind every photograph there's a photographer, behind every sculpture there's a sculptor, but behind every news there's a team. And this could now not been possible because of my sailor who is called Natarajan, and he's been the backbone. He's been rowing for the past 3 hours to get us deep into this mangrove forest to take some spectacular shots, and behind him is our driver who helped us possible to come all over to this place. And there, if you could little zoom in onto your right, you can see people in the watchtower having a great sight of the beautiful and exotic Pichavaram mangroves. Wow. And this is called Kushputivu. That's what Natarajan says. He says it's so big and so good at look at. So he's named it Kushputivu, but officially it's not there in the gazette. It's a small group of mangrove trees. That's it. And there you can see some small floaters there. Actually, those are the signs of nets. The local fishermen, they just did these nets into these waters for their good catch of fish. Seawater is always so very pleasant to look at. I know they say when you look at sea, the feeling you get is the same feeling you look at life. I mean, psychologists say that way, and I also think the same way, because whenever I look at all the sea, it's so very satisfying, it's so endless, time is so beautiful, and I think maybe 30 years down the lane, maybe I'll be old and I'll not be able to move around, and I think all these will be a matter of great treasure that I can only think in my mind. And you can see some of the local fishermen, they're trying to take the nets which they have put in the morning, and I think they'll get a good yield of fish. It's a long stretch of net, and also it sounds really fantastic. You know, this December 2004 26 tsunami, these mangroves had apparently saved a lot of lives, and this has been documented even by the Center of Advanced Study in Marine Biology. They have first published a paper on this, that mangroves have indeed protected villages from tsunami, and that's a very big thing, because, and also in other way, it can get the message across to people that mangroves are real treasures that has to be nurtured and nourished by all generations for the welfare of our earth. Then as you can see for yourself, it's so pleasant to look at, and their district administration is trying to boost this place for ecotourism, and there are lots of tourists coming in here and to see the beauty of mangroves. And they say you save the wealth today for the welfare of future generations, and that's what I'm trying to do. Just try to document all these places and trying to see the beauty of this place, enjoy every bit of it, and I'm totally feeling out of the world.